the Oscar for Achievement in Production Design. The nominees this year are The Grand Budapest Hotel, The Imitation Game, Interstellar, Into the Woods, and Mr. Turner. Right? Let's go through the strengths of each. Mr. Turner, absolutely brilliant, period piece, very much in the era. Everything is pitch perfectly European in the era that it's supposed to be. But my biggest problem with the movie is nothing is aged. Everything looks brand new. All the costumes, all the furniture in the movie looks brand new. It's as if nothing has ever been used. It's purely been used for a movie. And that's my greatest giveaway in a movie that is nominated for production design.
And
your costumes and right? Your costumes and furniture don't look real. So major concerns with that movie actually winning it. If it wins, I would be really surprised. So it's extremely well done. Everything looking brand new in a movie is just not cutting it.
And I think that same concern does not lend itself to Imitation Game, because everything in there felt very properly used.
Exactly. That's a perfect contrast to Mr. Turner. Everything in Imitation Game is from the exact era that it's supposed to be. They've kept the timelines very well. You know when you're moving between time zones purely based on the costumes, the office design itself. Okay, it's extremely well done, and even the clothes they're wearing, you can see tatters and tears and threads out. The equipment they're using, apart from the Enigma cracking machine, everything is slightly used. The typewriters are a little faded, the typewriters are a little cut. None of the papers look like they've just been pulled out of a brand new sheet. So it's all really well done. The aging process, the real look, it really does capture it.
And in fact, even that you mentioned the Enigma, if you notice, by the end of the time, the Enigma, those wheels have started wearing out.
Yeah,
and I didn't notice that.
Exactly my point. Everything has its time in place, and that is for me absolutely beautiful production design. But still, okay, you have a movie like Interstellar, which actually makes us travel through time, ahead of time, and still keep everything scientifically perfect to be in there. Like a lot of research has gone into making that kind of production design where it's believable. You don't have the typical robot who walks on two legs and walks around. You know, you have a cube with a screen that can transform itself into various things, and that is probably more futuristic than any other futuristic movie has ever been.
And you know what, I found that a very doable, tangible concept.
Yeah, that's what
I like that concept.
What is in the production design of the movie is not something that is arbitrary. It's something what the future might actually probably look like.
And right? Not to mention, in Interstellar, most of the sets, all the props, everything is real. Yeah. Most of it is not a green screen. In fact, here's a fun fact. When you see them sitting on the space station and you see the background in there, the background is actually real, it's not a green screen.
But again, Interstellar still gets beaten by, I think, the one movie that will win it this year, and that is The Grand Budapest Hotel. Alright, this movie defines production design in this year for me. From the intricacy of set design to costume selection to the transference between a set and an actual shot, everything is pitch perfect in this movie. It is brilliant. What do you think about Grand Budapest Hotel?
I love the scene in which they fall on a lot of pastry boxes, and I think that's a win for production design, because that scene is so damn memorable. They fall from the top, and everything in that scene has been constructed for this movie. Nothing exists, and those boxes, the logos, that confectionery truck, everything is production design and brilliantly done.
The entire movie is literally craft. Okay, the movie is film craft at its best. Like if I had to construct a movie out of nothing, Grand Budapest Hotel would be it. So if any other movie really wins production design this year, I would be really surprised, because Wes Anderson and his team has set the bar for production design with this movie. So my heart goes out to Grand Budapest Hotel winning it this year. You let us know. Actually, both of us think the same.
Yeah.
So you let us know, what do you think, who would win best production design this year? Do you agree with us? Do you disagree? Or why? And why? So let us know. Comment below and let us know who you think will take away the Oscars this year.